What if I told you that becoming rich isn't about luck, talent, or inheritance? It's about the way you think about money. According to a historical analysis of wealth accumulation, 80% of millionaires are self-made, emphasizing the critical role of mindset in achieving financial abundance. These aren't your usual save more or invest early tips. These are psychological rewires, real-life stories, and fact-backed truths that challenge what you've been told about wealth. Stay till the end, because point number 8 will flip your beliefs about failure, and there is bonus for you. It's a mindset so rare. Let's begin with number 1. Don't work for money, make money work for you. One of my friends grew up in Greece, moved to the US in his 20s. He worked as a dishwasher for 12 hours a day. Everyone assumed he was broke, but 35 years later, he quietly donated $1.5 million to a hospital. How? He invested every spare dollar into dividend-paying stocks and reinvested them for decades. People trade time for money their entire lives, thinking hard work alone will make them wealthy. But time is limited. Your income ceiling is fixed unless your money starts compounding on its own. Shift from being a worker to being an investor. Every dollar you earn should have a job, either earning interest, owning shares, or building something scalable. What if I don't have much to invest right now? Then you need this mindset shift even more. Start small. $50 a week in an ETF can become $300,000 in 30 years. It's not about how much, it's about starting the habit. Stop thinking like a laborer. Start thinking like an owner. Your money should work harder than you do. Number 2, delay gratification to speed up success. Book The Molecule of More by Daniel Z. Lieberman. Our brains are wired to chase dopamine, not satisfaction. That's why spending feels rewarding. But building wealth, it's about serotonin, long-term fulfillment. Dopamine rewards you now. Wealth rewards you later. If you chase instant pleasure, you'll forever sacrifice your future. Replace dopamine hits, impulse purchases, show-off habits, with delayed wins, investments, skill building, side hustles. Harvard's grant study tracked people for 75 years. Those who practiced delayed gratification had higher net worths, better marriages, and longer lifespans. You may have questioned now, but won't I miss out on life? Answer is, you're not missing life. You're buying freedom. You'll party on your yacht later instead of trying to impress people now who won't even remember your outfit tomorrow. Sacrifice short-term likes for long-term assets. When you master delayed gratification, you're already 90% ahead of the crowd. And yet, most people fail at this because they lack this next hidden trait. It's not taught in schools, but it changes everything. Obsess over cash flow, not net worth. Ever met someone with a $1 million house, but struggling to pay the bills? Live, lashy neighborhood, zero liquidity. One layoff and he was drowning. And there are skilled people who earned $5,000 per month consistently from clients across 3 continents. They had no house, but total freedom. Net worth looks good on paper, but cash flow pays your bills, reduces stress, and buys time. 82% of small businesses fail due to poor cash flow, not low profits. Focus on building cash-producing assets, rental properties, dividend stocks, content platforms, or freelancing gigs with recurring revenue. Ask yourself, how can I create cash flow without a lot of money? Use skills, create value, rent your knowledge, not just your time. A $500 digital product that sells 10 times a month will give you $5,000 per month in cash flow. Number 4, buy time, not stuff. Time is your only non-renewable currency. Wealthy people buy time, poor people sell it. In 4,000 Weeks by Oliver Burkeman, the average human life equals just 4,000 weeks. Most of it is wasted on stuff that doesn't matter. Spend money to reduce friction. Buy back time for high-leverage work, family, or rest. People who spend money on time-saving services report greater happiness than those who buy material things. Use money to multiply freedom. Clutter steals time and attention. The rich don't chase lifestyle, they chase leverage. Now here's where things get deeper. Because even after all this, one toxic belief keeps most people from ever starting. But we'll uncover it in next mindset shift, and it's probably holding you back too. Respect money, but don't worship it. Aditya grew up middle class in India. When he moved to New York, he started making 6 figures. At first, he was grateful, but slowly, his identity became attached to money, how much he earned, how much others admired it. Then one day he lost his job, and with it, his self-worth. But his friend Olivia, who also lost her job, bounced back within months. Why? She never saw money as who she was. She saw it as a tool, not a trophy. Money is a powerful servant, a dangerous master. Respect it, manage it, grow it, but never let it define your value. You own money. It doesn't own you. Detach your identity from your income, build wealth, but stay grounded in who you are. Number 6. Ask, how can I afford it? Instead of I can't. Your brain filters answers based on the questions you ask. I can't shuts your brain down. How can I activates problem solving. This idea comes from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He says, the poor say, I can't afford it. The rich ask, how can I afford it? A Stanford study found that people who used how framing in decisions were 60% more likely to take action toward their goals than those who made declarative statements like, I can't. Change the question, change the outcome. Curiosity creates cash flow. Resourcefulness beats resources. Let's level up even more, because there's one thing the wealthy do obsessively that broke people avoid like the plague. Number 7. Track every dollar with curiosity, not shame. Most people treat budgeting like a punishment. They avoid checking their expenses out of guilt, saying things like, I don't even want to look at my bank account right now. But here's the hard truth. You can't build wealth if you're scared of your own money habits. Money is something you trade your life energy for. So why would you not track where that energy is going? Wealthy people don't see tracking as shameful. They see it as strategic intelligence. If you're not curious about where every dollar is going, you're unconsciously leaking your future. Don't avoid your money habits. Investigate them. The goal isn't to judge your spending, it's to understand it. When you know where your money actually goes, you regain control, and control creates freedom. It's like driving with your eyes closed versus using Google Maps. One ends in a crash, the other in your dream destination. Number 8. Failure is feedback, not final. Thomas Edison tested over 1,000 prototypes before inventing the light bulb. In fact, many millionaires average 3-5 failed businesses before they succeed. Reframe failure as tuition. Learn, adapt, keep moving. Ask yourself, what did this teach me? How can I use this? How do I keep going when I feel like a loser? In fact, you're not a loser. You're just on chapter 2 of a 20-chapter book. Don't quit the book before the plot twist. Failing doesn't kill dreams. Quitting does. The rich are relentless. The broke are reactive. Now here is bonus for you. It is a powerful mindset shift. Environment is everything. Surround yourself with growth. Rahul was the smartest guy in his hometown, but he never left. His friends laughed at investing, mocked business ideas, and glorified weekend parties. He stayed stuck for 5 years. Then he moved to a co-working space in another city within 6 months. He launched Hyde Product today. His company is worth $2.4 million. Why? Because he changed his environment. In The Atomic Habits, James Clear writes, environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior. According to a Harvard study, your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Join a mastermind, follow wealth builders online, leave toxic, scarcity-driven circles. Growth isn't just inside you, it's around you. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. If you've made it this far, remember, money starts in the mind, long before it shows in the bank. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.